Microsoft Office 2024 is the latest iteration of the widely used productivity suite, designed to enhance workplace efficiency and collaboration, available for both Windows and Mac OS. It includes familiar applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote, with updates that improve performance and introduce new features. One of the key highlights is the integration of AI tools, powered by Microsoft's advancements in artificial intelligence, which streamline tasks like content generation and data analysis. The Copilot feature facilitates smarter document editing, data insights, and presentation design. Additionally, enhanced cloud integration with OneDrive allows for seamless file sharing and collaboration in real time, making teamwork more effective. Adaptively designed templates and improved accessibility features ensure that users of all abilities can navigate and utilize the software efficiently. Security enhancements also provide better data protection and privacy controls. Overall, Microsoft Office 2024 offers a robust suite of tools tailored for today's fast-paced environments, supporting both individual and collaborative productivity.